Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn the sound of A to D. Look at the picture carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. A. So kids, A has two sounds, A and A. A की दो sounds होती हैं, A and A. Let's learn it how. A for ant, so encircle A. A for apple, so again encircle letter A. And R for ass, so encircle A. तो बच्चों आपने देखा कि A की दो साउंड होती हैं, A and R. B. So what is the sound of B? It's B. B for bus, so encircle B. B for boy, encircle B. B for ball, encircle B. तो बच्चों आपने देखा B की क्या साउंड होती है? B. Now C. C की साउंड क्या होती है? It's K. C for cup. C for cat. C for car. So encircle all the C's here. D. And the sound of D is D. D for dog. Encircle D. D for doll. So encircle D. D for duck. So encircle D. Sound of E to H. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. E. E has two sounds, A and E. E की दो साउंड होती है, एक होती है A और एक होती है E. Let's learn how. E for egg, so it has a A sound. Egg, encircle E. E for engine, it has a E sound, so encircle E. E for elephant, so again A sound, encircle E. तो बच्चों आपको समझ आया कि किस तरह एक ही लेटर की जो साउंड होती है हर एक वर्ड के साथ वो चेंज हो जाती है. F. And what is the sound of F? It's F. F for fan, encircle F. F for fish, encircle F. F for fox, so encircle F. G. And the sound of G is G. G for goat, encircle G. G for girl, encircle G. G for gate, encircle G. Very good. H. What is the sound of H? It's H. H for hat, H sound, encircle H. H for hen, encircle H. H for horse, encircle H. Sound of I to L. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. I. Now, I has two sounds, E and I. I'll tell you how. I for igloo, encircle I. It has a E sound, igloo. I for ink. It has a E sound, so encircle I. I for eyes, so it's a I sound, so encircle I. J. What is the sound of J? It's J. J for jar, encircle J. J for jug, encircle J. J for jam, encircle J. K has a K sound. K for keys, encircle K. K for kite, encircle K. K for kitchen, encircle K. तो बच्चों आपको समझ आ रहा है ना कि वर्ड्स के साथ हमारे लेटर्स की जो साउंड होती है वो चेंज हो जाती है अपने आप. So we have to observe everything very carefully. हमें बड़ा केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ता है तो वर्ड्स को पढ़ना पड़ता है, समझना पड़ता है कि किस तरह से हम उसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे। L. L has a L sound. L for log, encircle L. L for lamp, encircle L. L for lock, encircle L. Sound of M to P. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. M has a M sound. M for mud, encircle M. M for milk, encircle M. M for mat, encircle M. N has a N sound. N for net, encircle N. N for nose, encircle N. N for nest, encircle N. O has a O sound. O for ox, encircle O. O for orange, encircle O. O for owl, encircle O. P has a P sound. P for pin, encircle P. P for pot, encircle P. P for pan, encircle P. Sound of Q to T. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. Q has a Q sound. Q for queen, encircle Q. Q for quill, encircle Q. Q for quail, encircle Q. तो बच्चों आपको समझ आ रहा है ना कि किस तरह से हर एक लेटर की अपनी एक साउंड होती है। R has a R sound. R for rain. R for rose. R for rat. तो बच्चों आपने ऑब्जर्व किया कि जब हम र साउंड लेते हैं तो हमारी टंग जो होती है वो रोल होती है। So in r sound your tongue rolls. S has a S sound. S for sun, encircle S. S for star, encircle S. S for ship, encircle S. T has a T sound. T for top, encircle T. T for tree, encircle T. T for table, encircle T. Sound of U to X. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. U has a U and A sound. इसकी दो साउंड होती हैं, एक U साउंड होती है, एक A साउंड होती है. I'll tell you how. U for umbrella, A sound, encircle U. U for uniform, U sound, encircle U. U for unicorn, encircle U. It has a U sound. V, V sound. V for van, encircle V. V for vulture, encircle V. V for vase, encircle V. W, it has a V sound. W for water, encircle W. W for wheel, encircle W. W for window, encircle W. X, it has a X sound and Z sound. तो इसकी दो साउंड होती हैं, एक X साउंड होती है, एक Z साउंड होती है. I'll tell you how. X for X-ray, encircle X. X for Xmas tree, encircle X. X for xylophone, so it's a Z sound, encircle X. Sound of Y to Z. Look at the pictures carefully and encircle the first letter of each word. Y, Y sound. So, Y for yak, encircle Y. Y for yo-yo, encircle Y. Y for yolk, encircle Y. बच्चों आपको पता है योग क्या होता है? जो एग का अंदर का पोर्शन होता है, इनसाइड पोर्शन, दैट इज योग. Z, it has a Z sound. Z for zip, encircle Z. Z for zoo, encircle Z. Z for zebra, encircle Z. Capital letters. Capital letters are also called big letters. We can write the letters in two forms. हम लेटर्स को दो फॉर्म्स में लिखते हैं, कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स, कैपिटल लेटर्स में और स्मॉल लेटर्स में। इन इंग्लिश देयर आर 26 लेटर्स ऑल विद देयर ओन साउंड। आप देखेंगे ए से लेकर Z तक हमारे पास 26 लेटर्स होते हैं और हर एक लेटर की अपनी एक साउंड होती है। There are 5 letters in the English alphabet which give sound to a word. They are known as vowels. तो बच्चों आपको पता है ना कि vowels क्या होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. The alphabet is a set of letters which is used to make words. अल्फाबेट क्या होता है? लेटर्स का एक सेट, एक झुंड जो वर्ड बनाता है, जो वर्ड फॉर्म करता है। These 26 letters are arranged in a fixed order called the alphabetical order or the ABC order. जब 26 लेटर्स को अरेंज किया जाता है एक फिक्स ऑर्डर में स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम A to Z, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर और द ABC ऑर्डर। आपको पता है हर एक लेटर का एक नंबर होता है, जैसे A stands for 1 number, B stands for 2 number, C stands for 3 number and likewise. So that is why we call it as alphabetical order. Read aloud some important 2-letter words. So let's do it together. A plus M becomes am. A plus S becomes as. A plus T becomes at. A plus N becomes and. O plus F becomes of. H plus E becomes he. U plus P becomes up. W plus E becomes we. M plus Y becomes my. S plus O becomes so. N plus O becomes no. G plus O becomes go. D plus O becomes do. U plus S becomes us. O plus N becomes on. I plus T becomes it. I plus F becomes if. I plus S becomes is. T plus O becomes to. O plus R becomes on. Read aloud some important 3-letter words. अब हम 3-letter words पढ़ेंगे। W plus A plus S becomes what? A plus N plus D becomes and. T plus H plus E becomes the. A plus R plus E becomes are. S plus H plus E becomes she. H plus A plus S becomes has. Y plus E plus S becomes yes. M plus A plus Y becomes may. G plus E plus T becomes get. H plus E plus R becomes her. S plus E plus E becomes she. H plus I plus S becomes his. S plus A plus W becomes so. So kids, I hope that you have learned, understood and enjoyed what we have done in the class today, and you will practice it more and more to become perfect.